Welcome! In this quick and easy tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to unarchive a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've ever archived a conversation and want to bring it back to your main chat list, this guide will walk you through the latest steps from the new update, simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. Once the app opens, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen where your chat list appears. This sidebar is where you'll find all your conversations neatly organized. Now, in that same sidebar, look for the section labeled Archived. It's usually located at the top or near the top of your chat list, depending on your recent activity. Click on Archived and it will open a list of all the chats you've previously archived. Once you're inside the Archive section, scroll through and find the chat you want to unarchive. You can look for the person's name, group name, or simply scroll until you spot the right one. If you have many archived chats, the search bar at the top can help you find it faster. Next, move your mouse to that chat and right-click on it. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Unarchive Chat. That's all it takes. The conversation will immediately move back to your main chat list, right where it belongs. Now that your chat is unarchived, you'll be able to see new messages from that contact or group directly in your main WhatsApp window. It's a quick and convenient way to stay organized while making sure important conversations are easy to access again. And that's it, just 4 simple steps. Open WhatsApp, click on Archived, find your chat, and unarchive it. With this new update, WhatsApp has made managing your chats even smoother than before. If this guide helped you, don't forget to check out more tips for using WhatsApp efficiently. Stay tuned for the next tutorial and enjoy a cleaner, more organized chat experience on your PC.